Everything that we experience is apparent solidity. In here is where the world of physicality exists. Religions tell us that within this tiny band of frequency, all we need to know is within the covers of a single book. The body has a cycle. We have eternity.
Well, more than 90% of people believe there is an afterlife, according to our Today.com poll.
The world is so magical. If only we would open our minds.
I believe that a positive attitude and love has an effect on the growth of plants.
That illusions only control you if you think they're real. When you realize they're not, the control is no more. Who are we? Where are we? What is this place? Don't we want to know? That's it.